In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarms at the bottom left corner. Now before creating a new one, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Then manage all of those under alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you're ready, go back and click on this plus at the bottom in the middle to create new alarm. Finally, you can adjust that. At the top, set up an hour. Then tap on days of the week that you wish to pick. When you're ready, scroll down. Click on label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. To save its new name, hit OK. Then by tapping on those two switchers next to alarm report and vibrate, you can disable or enable those options. Then click on ringtone. By clicking on Add New at the top, you can pick any song from your device and set it up. You can also just click on one of those sounds. When you finished, go back. Now by clicking on Set as Group, you can add this alarm to any created groups. Then go back and hit OK at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it and pick one of those options. Then select OK. To turn it back on, use the same, now gray switcher. If you want to edit your alarm, click on it, change wherever you want to, and to discard those changes, select Cancel. To save them, hit OK. If you wish to create previously mentioned group, click on this little icon of a clock with a plus at the top right corner and create a group. Then hit OK. If you wish to delete any of your alarms, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete, click on all of your alarms that you wish to remove, and confirm your choice thanks to this check mark at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!